Hi there, I'm Gary and welcome to my channel. Today I'm looking at the 2025 Black Friday offers from Airfix. Quite a lot to look at, but a few things you need to consider as well, which I'll talk about later on. The most important thing for me at least is that these offers are only available on the Airfix online store. Now if you go there through the affiliate link below here and buy anything at all, at not a penny extra cost to you, Airfix will make a donation to the running of this channel. You still get your Airfix Club discount if you're a member, and you can use and earn hobby reward points too, but do be careful how you do that, more on which later. First, a look at my personal highlights on the offers available. Starting with the biggest of the kits, the 1/24 scale Spitfire Mark 8 is down from £100 to just £60. That's a whole lot of kit there and a joy to build. Perfect Christmas present for the model maker in your life, even if that model maker is yourself. Another giant is the Vintage Classics reissue of the P51D Mustang. First released in 1973, it's still a good kit to make and costs just £42, down from £70. Next, I'm going to say that the 1/72 scale B24 Liberator is a bargain at £37.50, down from £50. A very well thought out, well engineered kit of a superb aircraft. To make it look good in a ground diorama, you could add the US Bomber resupply set as well. That is now £21, down from £35. Staying stateside, the F86F Sabre is half price, just £21, down from £42. I loved making the first of these new 1/48 scale Sabres to be released, and this one comes with some pretty cool US markings. Another gem of a kit, first seen at the Telford show 2 years ago, is the Messerschmitt ME 410 in 1/72 scale. Currently £18.75, down from £25. But for an even better deal, you can grab the 2025 Club Kit version of the ME 410 for just £15. This comes with exclusive decals for a German aircraft before and after it's captured by the Allies. Celebrating one of the most famous missions in the history of the Royal Air Force is this special version of the Lancaster bomber carrying the bouncing bomb used in the Dam Busters raid. This 1/72 scale kit is now half price at £25, down from £50. These are just a few of the deals available, saving you anywhere between 25 and 50% on suggested retail prices. Now, as I have mentioned, you can use your 10% Airfix Club discount on top of this, and you can also redeem your Hornby Hobby Reward points if you have some too. Postage on orders over £40 is free, but please be aware this is £40 after club discount and reward points have been applied. For example, I was thinking of the 1/48 scale Hawker Hunter. I need one for a project I'm thinking of doing, and it's not a bad deal at £37.50. Then I thought, well, as I'm here, I might as well add the current £10 mystery kit as well. It's another video after all, so that's £47.50 in total. Then I get my Airfix Club discount of 10%, leaving a total of £42.75 to pay. But you know, I've got a few reward points, about £5 worth, so I apply them and the bill is now £37.75. But because it's gone below £40, I no longer get free postage. And as the Hunter's a chunky old kit, I now have to add £7.95 in postage. So the total has now gone up to £45.70. I suppose the lesson is either use reward points when you've got loads of them, or if you're already clearly one side of the postage limit or the other. So there it is, some good offers I think. Do remember that these are on a while stocks last basis, so you need to keep checking what is available. In the past, Airfix has added items to the Black Friday event after it started, as other products go out of stock. Please also remember to go to the Airfix online store through my affiliate link here, repeated in the information box below, or you can use this QR code, as it generates income for the channel as you buy, but without costing you so much as a single extra penny. Happy bargain hunting, thanks so much for watching today, and goodbye.